What language is VS Code written in? So VS Code is built on a platform called Electron, which is built by GitHub. It's sort of the marriage between Chromium and Node.js, which allows you to build, to easily build cross-platform applications using web technologies. VS Code itself is written in TypeScript, CSS, and HTML for the majority. Initially, it started out as JavaScript, but we found that it was difficult to keep adding features to it just because of the size of VS Code. So TypeScript has a bunch of strong typing, which just basically for free, you get a lot of safety in that. And yeah, because it's built on web technologies, if you're a web developer, you can come help contribute to VS Code just using JavaScript, TypeScript, CSS, and HTML.